Hi students, today we are going to discuss the topic coordinate geometry, from that area of quadrilateral. So area of quadrilateral is a new concept to you. So area of quadrilateral, how to find? See, area of quadrilateral can be found using the triangle area also. Got it? Using the triangle area also, you can find the area of quadrilateral. Okay. So how to find area of quadrilateral here? I'll just explain once again, I'll just explain the concept properly. So area of quadrilateral is equal to, it is sum of the two triangles area. It means we are adding the sum, or we are adding the areas of two triangles so that you will get the, area of the quadrilateral. So for that, I'll just consider one sum. Find the area of quadrilateral. Vertices taken in order are -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2, 2, 3. So I just taken in order as they know clearly specified that you should take in order. So A, B, C, D. We just take in order. So A we are taken as -4, -2, B we are taken -3, -5, and D we are taken 2, 3, 3, -2. So in this case, you just check area of quadrilateral can be written as area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. So now I just written the vertices of A, which is what, -4, -2, B is -3, -5, and 3 is 3, -2. So area of triangle ABC, just write the formula, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now substitute the values. Half into, what is x1, -4, and y2 minus y3, which is -5 minus of -2, plus x2. What is x2 here? -3, -3 into y2 minus y3 minus y1. So -2 minus of -2 plus 3 into, okay, which is x3 into y1 minus y2, which is -2 minus of -5. So which will give you -4 into -5 plus 2, which will give you -3, and this is 0 anyway. So, and this will be -2 plus 5, which is 3. 3 into 3, 9. So here you will get 9. Correct? So half into -4 into -3. How much? I'll just write one more here, which is -4 into -3 is half into 12. Correct? 12 plus 9. Isn't it? 9 is already there. So 12 plus 9 is 21 by 2. So the answer will be 21 by 2. I'll just repeat this. Here the concept is we are doing area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral is nothing but, always remember, a quadrilateral can be divided into two triangles. I'm not telling two equal triangles. We can divide a quadrilateral into two triangles. So that is the reason here what I'm doing. They are given 4 vertices, so obviously they will form a quadrilateral. So this quadrilateral I am dividing into two triangles. How can I divide that? Just draw one diagonal. Okay, what is diagonal? The diagonal is the line segment, okay, which connects the opposite vertices of a quadrilateral. So these are the opposite vertices. So connect them. So we'll get AC as a diagonal. So it is divided like quadrilateral, area of quadrilateral CD can be written as area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. So remember, go with order, ABC, next ACD. Okay, understood? Always follow the order. Okay, so that will obviously, that's how we have to follow. Because why I'm telling to follow the order, some people may do the mistake by writing this. See, ABDC, if you write, then there is no, actually this is incorrect. We cannot write ABDC because we should follow the order of the vertices. That is the reason I'm telling you. Some people, what they will do, they will take D here, C here, D there, and they will tell, so we are not getting the answer. Of course, you will not get the answer because vertices, what you have taken, they are not in order. That is the reason. Okay. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. So we divided into two triangles. First, let me write the vertices of ABC. So A, B, C. A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2, C is x3, y3. Under the vertices, I clearly written that. So write it. Next, what we have to do? Write the formula of the area of triangle ABC. Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So substitute the things. So half into minus 4 into minus 5 minus of minus 2, which is minus 3, minus 3 into minus 2 minus of minus 2, which will give you 0, because that is minus 2 plus 2, which is 0. 0 into anything is 0, and 3 into minus 2 plus 5, which is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. So 9, this minus 4 into minus 2 is 12. So 12 plus 9 is 21. So answer will be 21 by 2. So area of triangle ABC is 21 by 2. Next we find the area of triangle ACD. So similarly for ACD, you write all the vertices A, C, D. Okay, A vertex is x1, y1, C vertex is x2, y2, and D written x3, y3 under the vertices. And area of triangle ACD is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Substitute the formula coordinates minus 4 into minus 2 minus 3, correct? So next 3 into 3 minus of minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 minus of minus 2, which is 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2, which will give you 0. And this here, if you check, minus 4 into minus 2 minus 3, which is minus 5, plus 3 into 3 plus 2, which will give you 5. So what do you get? Minus 5 into minus 4 is 20. 20 plus 5 into 3, 50. So 20 plus 15 divided by 2, which is 35 by 2. So we have to find area of quadrilateral. Very simple. I'll just do here itself. Area of quadrilateral is equal to 35 by 2 plus 21 by 2, because area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. So both you add, you will get, which is 56 by 2, correct? 56 by 2 is 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 2 8s, correct? 2 2s are 4 and 18 will be remaining 2 8. So 28 will be the answer. So 28 is the square unit, is the area of the quadrilateral given. Okay, I hope you understood, and this is very important. They might ask for 3 marks usually. Okay, this is 3 marks. Next we will go with the next sum, which is area of quadrilateral itself. Just I am changing the vertices as well. Okay, so find the area of quadrilateral, vertices taken in order, same kind of sum. Okay, I'll just do from here. First I'll take it as quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so first one I have taken in that way, this one I am taking the other way. Any way you take, you will get the answer. It doesn't mean that you should take only AB like that. You can take like this also. So what are the vertices given? Vertices given as, first one you take it as A, second one you take it as B, third one you take it as minus C, minus 1 comma minus 6, and D you take it as 4 comma 5. So area of quadrilateral, correct? Area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to, okay, area of triangle ABC, ABD, correct? Area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BDC. Area of triangle BDC. Okay. So first you have to find the area of triangle ABD and add with the area of triangle BDC. You will get the quadrilateral ABCD area. First write the vertices. A. What is A here? 4 comma, minus 5 comma, minus plus 7, and B minus 4 comma, minus 5, and D 4 comma 5. Under this you write x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So now use the formula. What is the formula? Area. We are finding area of triangle ABD. So formula is same, half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So which will give you half into, what is the x1 here? x1 is minus 5 y2 minus y3, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, correct? Plus x2, what is x2 here? Minus 4, y3 minus y1, what is y3? 5 minus y1 is 7. So which will give you 5 minus 7, correct? So minus 4 into y3 minus y1, which is 5 minus 7, correct? 5 minus 7. Next, plus x3. What is x3 value? 4 into, okay, 4 into, you'll get y1 minus y2. So 7 minus of minus 5. Okay, so which will give you half into minus 5, minus 5 minus 5, which is minus 10, correct? Plus minus 4 into 5 minus 7, which is minus 2. So careful with the signs. And 4 into 7 plus 5, which is 12. So what do you get? You will get half into minus 5 into minus 10, 50 plus 50 plus 8 plus 48. So which will give you, answer will be 106 by 2, which is 53. Got it? So 50 plus minus 5 into minus 10. 50 plus minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8 plus 48, which is 102 by 6, sorry, 106 by 2, which is 53. Similarly, we have to find area of triangle BDC. So to find area of triangle BDC, what we have to do? We have to write our BCD you take. We will go in an order again. Try to take this. Okay, take area of triangle BCD. Okay, or you can write area of triangle. Okay, BCD. So even you can take BDC, but you go with the order. You have to follow the order. Even if you write BCD, BDC also, it doesn't mean you will not get the answer. So now B, what is B we are taking here? Minus 4 comma minus 5. What is C? C is minus 1 comma minus 6. Okay, so which will give you minus what is it? Minus 1 comma minus 6. And what is D value? 4 comma 5. Correct. So write this as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So we have taken all this coordinates. So what should be, what will be the next step? Area of triangle, okay, BCD, which is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, so half into, what is the x1 here? Minus 4. What is y2 minus y3? Minus 6, minus 5. Okay, minus 6, minus 5. Next, x2. x2 into y3 minus y1. So 5 minus of minus 4. Correct? Plus x3. What is x3 value? 4. y1 minus y2. So y1 minus y2 means minus 5 minus of minus 6. Okay. So what will be, what you get? Half into minus 4 into minus 11. Correct? Minus 6 minus 5 minus 11 plus here 5 plus 5, which is minus 10. Correct? 5 plus 5 plus 10. Sorry, 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 4 here, 5 minus 5 plus 6, which will give you 4 into 1. Because minus 5 plus 6 is 6 minus 5, which will give you 1. Half into 44 minus 10 plus 4. Correct? Minus 11 into minus 4, which is plus 44, and minus 1 into like plus 10, which is minus 10. 4 into 1, which is 4. So which will give you 44 minus 10. How much? 34. 34 plus 4, 38. 38 by 2. How much you will get for 38 by 2? 38, 44, or you can write here, this is correct. So 44 minus 10, or you can also do minus 10 plus 4 is minus 6. So 44 minus 6 is how much? 38, correct? 44 minus 6 is 30. So 38 by 2 is 19. So what we have to find? We have to find area of quadrilateral. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, okay, add these two areas. What you get? One is 53, another one is 19. So 53 plus 19 is 72. 72 square units. See, square units then written for the last term, you can write it also. Okay, 72 square units. You can write or no problem. Don't write also. But usually area is measured in square units. That's the reason we are writing it as 72 square units. So I'll just explain once again. The same kind of sum what we did in the last, same class we did last one, right? This is also of same kind. Find the area of quadrilateral. What is taken in order? Okay, like whenever they're given to find the area of quadrilateral, we do not have a formula to find the area of quadrilateral directly. So we have to divide the given quadrilateral into two triangles, not equal triangles, two triangles. So we just divided by joining this B and D. So what are the triangles we got? We got area like triangle ABD and triangle BDC. So area of quadrilateral ABCD can be written as area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. So total area we divide into two parts. That's all. Okay. This is one part and this is another part. So we can use why we are doing that, because we know only the area of triangle. So that's the reason we are dividing that area into two parts. So we divided and we have taken A x1 y1 B as like B coordinates under that x2 y2, D as x3 y3, and coordinates already written over there, and write the formula of area of triangle ABD, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, and substitute half into x1. What is x1 here? Minus 5. So minus 5 into y2 minus y3. So minus 5 into minus 5 minus 5 plus x2 into means minus 4 into y3 minus y1. So 5 minus 7 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. 7 minus of minus 5. Be careful when you are substituting the value. Okay, because 1 minus, if you do mistake also, your answer will not be correct. So 5 minus 5 into minus 10 plus 50 minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8, 4 into 12, 48. So add all this 58 plus 48, which will give you 106. 106 by 2 is equal to 53. Similarly, find area of triangle BCD. So half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 and x3 into y1 minus y2. So x1 is what we have taken here, minus 4. So minus 4 into minus 6 minus 5, correct, and plus x2 minus 1 into 5 minus of minus 5, which is y3 minus y1. So 5 minus of minus 5 plus x3 is 4 into y1 minus y2 minus 5 minus of minus 6. So I just did one more step here, minus 4 into minus 6 minus 5 minus 11 plus minus 1 into 5 plus 5, which is 10, because here minus of minus, and here minus 5 plus 6, which is 1. So minus 4 into minus 11, minus 1 into 10, and 4 into 1, which is 44 plus, sorry, minus 10 plus 4, which will give you 44 minus 6, 38. So 38 by 2 is 19, correct? 19 2s are 38. So area of quadrilateral ABCD, you just add both the areas, so which is 53 plus 19, which is 72 square units. 72 units square, you can write or square units. So this is how you have to do the, okay. So I hope you understood. This is also very important on examination point of view. Thank you. Please comment, share, like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.